Dear student all, class 12 bio, that in yesterday class we study about the cyclic phases in the sexual reproduction in the female. Today we proceed in this context and discuss the topic fertilization. Fertilization is the process of fusion of sperm and ovum, that is the fertilization. The discharge of semen by the penis into the female reproductive parts, vagina, that close to the cervix during the coitus, that is called the insemination, and the mobile sperms also move through the cervix and both meet at the point of the ampullary isthmus junction of the fallopian tube, and the fertilization takes place. Fertilization takes place, and in this context, the process, the sperm comes in contact with the zona pellucida part of the ovum, and the sperm tip that have the acrosome enzymes that dissolve the layer of the zona pellucida and helps the sperm in the entry in the entering the egg cytoplasm. The fertilization takes place, and after fertilization the diploid zygote is formed. Diploid zygote is formed, and that zygote starts divide. That zygote start divide and mitotically and forming the 2, 4, 8 and 16 daughter cells, that is known as the blastomeres. That this process is known as the cleavage. The embryo with 8 to 16 blastomere called the morula, and that stage is known as the morula stage. That is the morula stage which is known as, and again the morula divides and transforms into the blastocyst that gives rise of the blastomeres. That blastomere arranged as in a outer layer that is called trophoblast, and inner layer that contain the group of cells mass, that is known as the inner cellular mass. Trophoblast attend that site and attach to the uterus, and the inner mass of that part that differentiate and form the embryo. And embryo also divides into cells. That process is known as the embryogenesis. So the formation of embryo is known as the embryogenesis, and further we study about the embryogenesis. What is embryogenesis? Now the fertilization result is formation of zygote, and zygote divides in the different stages are coming, and that zygote that trophoblast phase that attach with the uterus, that is known as the implantation, and that stage that gives rise of the finger-like the projection, the chorionic villi appear on the trophoblast. A chorionic villi surrounded with the uterine uterus uterine tissues, and maternal blood. Chorionic villi and uterine together become the interdigited and jointly form a structural and functional unit between fetus and maternal body. That structure is known as placenta. Okay, that you make a note of that all parts. Fertilization topics and different stages must be mentioned in your notes. Okay, thank you. And I give you notice to all of you, you must join Zoom classes also. Okay, thank you.